How does it work, and what is blockchain? Blockchain is an innovative technology that enables secure, trustful, and distributed data storage and transfer. It is a decentralized digital ledger that records and stores data in multiple blocks and links them together using complex algorithms. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data, creating a chain of blocks that can't be tampered with. This cryptographic connection ensures that the blocks are secure and tamper-proof, while eliminating the need for third-party intermediaries, which significantly reduces transaction fees and makes the whole process much faster and more efficient. Blockchain technology has many potential applications, especially in the realm of finance. It can be used to create a secure digital identity, allowing individuals to prove who they are without the need for a third-party intermediary. It can also be used to securely store digital documents, such as legal contracts, medical records, and more. Additionally, blockchain technology can be used to create secure digital payments, allowing people to transfer money quickly, safely, and without the need for a third party like central banks. Furthermore, the distributed nature of the blockchain makes it virtually impossible for someone to change its content without being detected. In conclusion, blockchain is a technology that is revolutionizing data storage and transfer. From digital payments and identity to smart contracts, blockchain technology is creating and providing the opportunity for businesses and individuals to safely, quickly, and securely transfer data in a way that was not previously possible.